Hey hey hey!
안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Long time no K-pop nail art tutorial. It's been months since I last posted a K-pop inspired nail art tutorial. But I didn't stop doing a monthly K-pop nail art. As some of you might know, I host a monthly K-pop nail art collaboration on Instagram. So for today, my inspiration is ICY by ITZY or ITZY in Korean pronunciation. My main inspiration is the comic style lyrics that pops on the screen of the music video. But before we get onto the tutorial, here's my base for today. White for all of my nails and an iridescent glitter top coat for my ring and thumbnail. Now let's go on to the tutorial. For my index, ring, and pinky nail, I'll be doing a comic design base. I'm using this pattern because I think it has a comic strip kind of vibe. Then I'll paint it with neon colors. Then, let that to dry completely. If the design on the stamper is already dry, it's time for your nails to be painted with a fast drying top coat. This will let the design on your stamper to stick onto your nail. But before stamping the design onto your nail, make sure that the top coat is a bit dry. Just make sure it's a bit tacky or sticky. Then stamp it. Then do the cleanup. Then I did that kind of look to my middle and pinky nail. After that, I applied a thick coat of glossy top coat. Now let's paint the words beep, blah, and hey onto my index, middle, and pinky nail. Of course, I'm using a nail art brush and a white acrylic paint. After painting the first layer, I did another. Now I'm painting the word blah. And on my pinky, I'm painting the word hey. Then on my ring nail, I painted the word ICY in sky blue acrylic paint. And on my thumbnail, of course, I used an acrylic paint and I painted ITZY's logo. And of course, after finishing the design and letting them all dry, I applied a thick layer of top coat. By the way, I also added some gray shades to the words I painted. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!